Now it's connected. This is the basic APC version of this vehicle, and I said this is FMC3, the third one ever built. This is the one that the Army initially decided to go with and said, we want hundreds of these, thousands of them. There were later versions that were diesel engines. And these first were gasoline engines. You can sit, basically 9 guys in the back with all their gear. So it's aluminum for the lightweight. It's also air transportable in its basic configuration. This one is FMC3. It is the third M113 ever produced. We're lucky to have it in the collection. The Army looked at this one and said, this is the kind we want. They made hundreds of thousands of them. Later on, there were diesel engine versions. And these were used by the United States, by the South Vietnamese forces, also by the Australians in South Vietnam. One of the biggest users of the M113 is the Israelis. They call it the Zelda. They love them. And they still use them today, although they've gone to the heavier infantry combat vehicles, what they call heavy armored combat vehicles, things like the Nakmagan and the Puma, based on Centurion tank chassis and T-55 tank chassis, like the Ashery. The M113, just like it is in the American Army and the Israeli forces, it's still